Hey guys, my name is Oshun the Great, and welcome to my beautiful channel. Today I wanted to talk about how to instantly be more attractive. Yes, attractive. Me and my friend, actually the other day, we were rating each other's sex appeal, and basically what that is basically like your energy, your aura you give off, like your charming, your personality, all of that in one. So understanding that attractiveness is does not always have to only do with looks. Looks can help, obviously. So you obviously want to look your best. You want to try your best to groom yourself, to mind how you look before you get out the house. It doesn't have to be in the way everybody else thinks, but taking care of yourself is number one, you know. But looking more attractive is, to me, being authentic. So being authentically you. A lot of times when in this society, we get caught up in wearing masks, hiding our true beauty. And honestly, like I always say, when you're hiding your gifts or who you truly are, you're robbing yourself and the world of a genuine experience. So honestly, when you let your true light shine into the world, that is beautiful. You'll be surprised at how your aura or your light, if it's clear, full of clarity, you know, from you meditating, eating right, treating yourself good, treating yourself with self-love, how that exudes into the world. And when people see that light, even though they can't physically see it, they can see it with the third eye or just feel the vibe. People automatically deem that beautiful. So it's all about vibes, it's all about aura, it's all about allure in that way. Being happy, but not the fake happy. So doing things that make you feel passion. A lot of people don't know, especially women, don't know that our power lies in our sacral chakra, our sexuality, creativity center. So when we are operating highly from that center, we are way more attractive. We seem more happy, more bubbly, because we are when we're creating art, dancing, yoga. Men feel that. Men are drawn to that. And men, when they feel stable, when they feel secure in themselves, they are automatically more attractive. So that's why you see the men who are, you know, so sure of themselves. They don't necessarily have to have every little thing together, but if they are sure of themselves, where they're going, where they're heading, that root chakra is strong. So women are attracted to that. A man who has a strong foundation. So these are a few things that can make men and women a little bit more attractive. What else? So honestly being yourself is key, because a lot of times we get caught up in, you know, I want to attract this type, I want to attract this type. For one, we don't know if we like these types and if these types like us. By being authentic, you encourage people who will like you for you. And that's what we're trying to get to here. We don't want to attract any fakes or anybody who don't really want to be around us. We really want to go with the quote, those who mind don't matter, and those who matter don't mind. So we really want to go with, you know, attracting authenticity. And the more we learn how to accept ourselves fully, the more we attract people who are real and for our highest good. So always keep in mind that. Because I had to learn the hard way a lot of times. You know, we always want like the model types or like Brad Pitt types, or not to say that you want to attract that authentically, but that's only physical based, which being attractive isn't all physical based. Also, understand that you're the whole package already, so you don't have to wait on anybody to complete you. Honestly, the most attractive thing is a person who can be independent and accept help when it's needed. But independent meaning you're emotionally independent, you're emotionally strong, you're also can, if you had to be alone, you can be alone, and you're okay in your presence, and you're not desperate and needing anybody. So that's really attractive. And the way you do that is by learning about yourself, researching about yourself. I've spent so many hours in the library understanding, trying to figure out what an introvert was, because that's what I am. Trying to figure out what causes anxiety and depression. Coming to terms with who you are is a big deal, because if you're okay with you, then other people have no choice but to be okay with you. Introvert in the crowd if you want to, and if you look okay with that, then people are gonna fuck with you. So these are little ways to be more attractive. Again, accept yourself, because no one else will if you don't. And honestly, I'm guarantee you, once you're working on yourself and once you show that you're thriving in who you are as a being overall, accept your good and your flaws, people will flock to that shit. They always do. Even the people who act like they're not paying attention to you on social media, out and about, people always notice you. You're not invisible. So yeah, as always, like I say, be dope, be unapologetically. You are attractive as you are. Own your individual beauty. Honestly, make it stand out. Exaggerate that shit. Exaggerate your avatar. Pick how you want to look. You see I got the yellow hair, the colors. Pick how you want to stand out in this world. You're beautiful the way you are. Be dope, be you unapologetically. Peace.